everyone, this is Amy. Thanks so much for taking a minute to stop by my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I paint a very easy floral design on a rock. I like to do a lot of hand-painted rocks. This particular stone that I'm looking at, really not in the greatest of shape, has a lot of pits and marks in it. So, I thought for a video, I'm not going to sell it, but for a video I would go ahead and do just a quick little demonstration on a lavender inspired design for this particular painting. I am going to be using brushes out of my nail painting brush set, and I have a flat brush. It doesn't have any markings on this. I'm not really sure what number it is, but it's pretty small, maybe even a 2. And then an angle, this is a Donna Dewberry U Pro nail brush, but it's a number 4. And then in that same set I have a number 5 angle brush. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I start my design actually by using this brush. I'm going to start towards the base, or what I'm using as the base of the stone, because you could do your design, really a design going this way, with this being the front would probably be cute because of the way the stone angles. But I'm still going to go ahead and just do what I intended to do to begin with, and that's just painting a quick little set of green branches, and they're just going to come out just kind of going off of the main one. I am having them, instead of having them be separate sprays, which they could be, I'm just creating it as one branch with the designs on it coming from one branch. Alright, so then we're just going to, I'm going back over it with, and I didn't even tell you the paints, I'm sorry. Citrus green, let's take a stop here, apologize. Eggplant, wicker white, this is metallic silver, and Thicket. Totally blew past me, sorry about that. Alright, so I am painting over the Thicket with the citrus green, and I really like the citrus green. The paints I use are the FolkArt combination of Enamels and MultiSurface, and they all are meant to be, well, the MultiSurface obviously can be used on multi-surfaces, that would make sense, but they are actually appropriate for use on painting glass and other surfaces. I've used enamels, in all honesty, on so many different surfaces, walls, paper, whatnot, before they even came out with the multi-surface paint. It's great for a lot of surfaces. Alright, so then what I'm going to do next, I'm going to leave a little space at the top here. I'm going to come in with this small little flat brush, and I am not showing you this, but I am actually dipping one side into the Thicket, one side into the citrus green, and then moving it back and forth. Maybe I'll put it down just a smidge more. Alright, so then we're going to go through, and I'm going to just paint some leaves. And I'm just doing the basic pull, touch and pull kind of leaves. You can have them going in different directions. It doesn't really matter, up to you. If you want to, you can pull the stem in. You can use the lighter side or the darker. Again, up to you. I base painted, I forgot to say this, I base painted this stone with the metallic silver just to give it a little bit, I don't know, just maybe a smoother look, because it looks so rough without any kind of paint on it, because it is a pretty rough surface with all the little pits and stuff on it. So I am just going up and down these green branches that I painted and putting in some leaves. And again, they're just very easy. You can put some on top of each other. They don't really have to be placed in any certain manner. I'm going to leave a little bit of the top open. Then I'm going to come back over here and continue adding leaves. Again, you can go on both sides. And just keep going. This little brush is kind of fun to paint with, honestly. And I don't want it to look like I'm just doing a bunch of leaves up a branch. You know, I'm going to have them going in different directions here too, just to kind of add some interest to it. And we're getting close to finishing with the greenery. One other thing I want to put in here though is that I did do with this is just some, well actually I can do it like this. You can come out here, now there's a pock right here, so that may interfere a little bit because it indents right there. But you can just put some crazy little pole leaves that come right into the excuse me, the branch, or the the branch itself. So I'm starting out here just with the flat brush and pulling down just like that. Alright, so then I'm going to pick up my little angle brush. I'm going to tip it into the purple, the eggplant. Now you can double load this if you want, and then just start at the top, pulling down, pulling in, and just keep going like that. Or you can actually just start with the eggplant totally on it and then come back in and add white. Whichever way you prefer to do it, what works best for your style, what you're comfortable with, that's up to you. And it's just showing you that it has a little bit of a more of an open part at the top here. Then you can come back in and just add some poles wherever you want to throughout the design. Put some more white in there. You can just sporadically, it doesn't have to be real prominent. It can be a little bit more muted when you're doing it. And it's just, you know, very simplistic. You can come in here and break up the green a little bit. It's a very simplistic little design to put on a stone or a rock if you like to collect rocks. Again, just a very easy design. Anybody can do it. And you can go over them too if you feel like it's got too much of one color. Add some more in it if you want to make them, you know, a little bit bigger. Like this one. Feel free to do so. Have them kind of going in different directions. You know, some of them can be kind of leaning down as some of the branches are, or the leaves. Just very relaxing. I mean, if you paint, it doesn't have to be, you don't have to be Picasso. You can paint and just enjoy it, relax, however you want to do it. I'm going to take this little brush, and because I like the way it handles, I'm going to take it, dip it into this part and the greens, and come in here and do a pole that helps tie this into the plant. Doesn't make it like it's just hanging there. And just see how easy that is. And you've got just a cute little design. You can put these rocks throughout your home. You can put them in your garden if you seal them. If you're using the MultiSurface, I think it is for outdoor, I do believe. But I would still put some type of a protective coating on it. But anyhow, there you go. Really nice and simple. Doesn't take very much, just very easy. Nice way to throw some color into a shelf, a basket, a plant, wherever you want to sit it. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. I'll try to pick it up. Hopefully I won't mess it up. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that notification bell and the subscribe button. And then before you leave, hit the share button that you'll see underneath the video. This will allow you to share the video on your social network with all your family and friends. Alright, I appreciate it. And until the next time, you stay safe and healthy. And I hope you have a good one.